Okay, so let me see. Let's put her a little bit facing that way first. Great job. Okay, here's the front, and then I'll go the back. And if you want to help us by just helping us with the face.
오빠 얼굴
There you go.
호두 괜찮아?
Okay. There we go. Let's come up a little bit more like this. Let's get to, there we go. Come on this side. Okay.
숨을 천천히 너무 자주 쉬지 말고 천천히 쉬어줘.
Okay.
호두야.
It's okay. It's alright.
호두 괜찮아.
And she's pregnant.
She's
Very early
pregnant?
in the pregnancy, you're supposed to still a little bit better.
했어? 아까 동그란 거.
어.
Like it's so cool. He's a baby, right?
Yeah, so I'm about to show you here. So this is actually the sac. This is the placenta right here. The puppy is actually very small still,
Yeah.
but it's actually, you can actually see the heart beating right here. You
Yes.
see that little beating? I'm gonna show
Hi,
you.
mommy.
Hang in there, pretty girl, hang in there. Okay, we're almost done. Almost
Yeah.
done. That's a good girl. That's a good girl.
아니야. 호두야 그만.
Yeah.
Almost done. Almost done. Be a good girl. Okay, let's see if I can.
How many?
There's actually quite a few. Hang on, hang on. Stay there for a second. No, no.
Wait, mommy, come on.
Let's try to bring her a little bit up high. I mean, right into. Wait a second. Okay, so you have one right
One.
here.
And
You
two.
have, let's see, two.
Two.
Okay, you have another one. Two. 3, 4, 5.
Five.
That's her bladder, so this is now nothing. Six, 7, 8. I think you have 8.
8.
Yes, I
Yes.
think so. Let's count again. Okay, so we have 1,
One,
2,
two, three,
3,
4.
4, and look, that one is moving. You saw it moving? You see how it's moving?
Yes. Oh.
Oh. That's the other side.
Yeah, that's the other side.
5.
6,
6.
and we have another big one right
Yes.
here, 7.
7.
So one thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recommend it. Let me just get some pictures in there so we can save this.
But we're not sure exactly how many babies. Only just 7 or 8, right?
Correct. I think it's about 7. One thing that I'm gonna recommend to do is for you to come back in about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And then I would like to get an x-ray once the bone structure is
An X-ray.
developed. And then the x-ray is going to let us know how many pups are coming. And
Exactly.
that way we're 100% sure.
Yeah.
And that way you know, I don't expect for her to go into C-section, nothing like that. She should be able to. So, I'm just going to.
Is it heart?
I'm sorry? The heart, let me try to get one, and then we'll try to listen to the heartbeat.
Yeah.
호두야.
Almost done, pretty girl. We're almost done.
호두 괜찮아. 호두 괜찮아.
He wants to know.
Yeah.
Wait. Good girl. She's still very small.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because she's only about 30 days pregnant.
Mm.
No more than that.
Mm.
Yeah, I can feel her beating right there. Let me see if I can get that heart. That's the heart beating from the puppy.
Okay.
Okay. So let me clean her up and then we'll let her up, okay?
네. 괜찮아.
Good girl.
It's finished.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Okay. All right. So let's let her get up. Let me guide her. Let me guide her for a second.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna let her go first, and she's gonna get up on her own, and then
Okay.
we'll bring her down. Let me go on that side.
바람 비켜.
Okay.
똑바로
so let's let her go
눕히고.
for a second. Let her go all the way. All the way. Let her go. I got her. There you go. Good girl. You got it, Valeria? Good. Now. There we go. There we go. Good girl.
Oh.
All right, so we have 7, I think. We might have
7.
more. So the X-ray will show us the reality
Okay.
or pretty much how many are in there. But this is good. This is good.